Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll download and install Bruno API testing tool. Um, this is just a lightweight alternative for Postman API tool. So navigate to the official Bruno website, which is usebruno.com, and click on the download button. For Windows, you can just choose the .exe installer of 64-bit. Click on the download. This will download the Bruno Windows installer .exe file. Uh, once once you download the installer, double click on the installer file to launch the installation wizard. So Bruno is cross-platform, so it supports Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Installation is simple. You can just click on the next buttons and choose all the default parameters. Click on the install button to install. Check the box Run Bruno and click on the Finish button. This will launch the API tool. That's it. Bruno is installed on your machine. This is the default tool UI. You can choose create a collection and start testing your APIs. That's it.